All right. We're at the Window Preservation Trades training session at Victoria Mansion in Portland, Maine. We just stepped through deglazing, removing the glass, and now into final slash cleanup.
For this sash repair, we are trying to determine the type and extent of the decay. We determine this is a fungal type, and combined with the extensive decay back into here and the poor choice of wood with the type of grain they used, we've determined to replace the bottom rail.
Could you show the standard method of using the awl for determining the extent of the decay?
Of course, we've come through here and we are prying up the wood fibers, looking for longer splinters, which we are not finding here, but could be demonstrated here. Nice long fibers showing sound wood.
Right, okay. And then how are you recording that?
Numbered and dated, notes of the entire condition of the sash, measurements explaining how much is deteriorated and missing, so that we can recreate a piece.
All right, thanks.
Definitely not as beefy as that, though.
All right, this is removing the bottom rail on this sash that was mostly deteriorated. Probably because it had this swirly grain in it, and there was a lot of end grain coming up to the surface, and
a long time ago.
that let more moisture soak into the sash, and that moisture was readily soaking in because this sash didn't have any paint on the inside of it. It's probably a barn sash.
It's just
Yes, he can do that.